Rogue Viper back at it again, and Jeffrey, come here. Okay, guys, so this video, we're gonna be, see this? Jeffrey's mom's things aren't working, so we're gonna be fixing it. So, step one, you see the top right here?
Yes.
Just rip it off.
Oh, okay.
And then...
Move that.
Ew. I smell ew. I don't even know what that stuff is. Wait, okay. Wait a minute, wait a minute, Jeffrey.
What?
Wait, is it the front or the back? Doesn't matter.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you trying to do?
Trying to fix it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot you were trying to fix it. Wait one sec.
Okay. Jeffrey, I think I see a problem.
Oh, you do?
I think one of these cords are unattached.
Oh, they are. Can you break them? Does that help?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright. Okay. Oh, yep. Jeffrey, I know what's wrong.
What?
Some of these wires aren't connected.
Oh, they aren't?
Yeah.
All that weird, like,
Yeah.
stuff like that.
Yeah, that should be there. Wait. Okay, look. Okay, guys, look. Jeffrey, stop for a second. Alright, guys, look. You see this stuff right here? This makes it slick, so it's easy for the barrel to roll around.
That's what I thought.
So now, you remove. You serious? Boom. So now we take this part off.
That goes skrrr. Oh, I got stuff on my hands.
I know.
I got the white slippery stuff on my hands. I forgot to take it.
Let's take this drum out to make sure it's clean. Oh, okay. And Jeffrey, did you hear that loose screw right there?
Yes.
Right there?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys, we'll be right back when we have some tools. Jeffrey, where are the tools? Okay, guys, so now we got the tools, and it's right here. And so we got a new part, by the way. It just came in. This is the thing where all the dryer lint goes and stuff. Yeah, they're right here. Boy. Okay, so right there, the cameraman just showed you. We took that off, and then we took the top off. It's right here. Did you break that? I mean, he didn't. Okay, so right here, we took that off. Now,
Fixing this, right?
Took that off also.
We're fixing this, right?
Yeah. And so we need to take this drum out to get to the coils behind it, and the silky stuff on it. That's the silicone. All right, so once we get this off,
It's technically pronounced silicon.
kill yourself. Alright, so once we take this off, like these off, then it should be easier for us.
That piece hit me in the face! This piece hit me in the face! Hit me like right there.
If only it hit you in your eye.
Oh, wish it did.
Yeah.
Should we give him like a do not do this at home warning?
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, we should.
Yeah, don't.
Okay, remember, guys, don't do this at home unless you're like stupid or that's your job.
Hey, we're neither of those things, right?
This is our job.
Oh yeah.
Gosh, what am I paying you $2?
Wait, are we the other thing? Are we the other thing?
What other thing?
Oh, the dumb thing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay. Flatten this back out.
Get hit again.
Yeah, guys, we're putting all the good parts. Stop!
Sorry.
Yeah, this is the door for all the dead memes. Dead memes come inside. All right. Now back to taking this off. I think it's just plastic, or
No,
it's,
I'm laughing later.
or it's metallic plastic.
Metallic plastic. Oh. Ride that boy over.
Oh, it's because there's a screw.
Are you dumb?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Sure, we already discussed this.
Yeah, I know. But
You're both dumb.
I just gotta make sure. That's for nails, Ty.
What?
For nails.
I mean, it also works on screws.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Are you sure that your mom doesn't love you?
I don't know. Oh, don't get hit.
Oh my gosh! Dude, that hurt.
That hit you.
Okay, guys, we'll be right back when I get this off. Okay, guys, so I know I said I was going to take it off, and then we'll be back, but I want you guys to actually see how to take it off. So, right, so right here we got a screwdriver.
Watch you mess this up. Oh, the thing's already going off.
Well, I remember, guys, I always put all the small parts and screws in one place so that you don't mess them up, like the gay life you hate. Stop. Alright. So now we're gonna be taking this off, and then once we take this off, and yep, this one's not top. Let me see this. Thank you. You can hold the screwdriver real quick. Now, this one isn't loose enough. No, we do. Oh crap, dude! Look at this.
Oh my gosh, Ty, stop.
I should just stop hitting stuff with the hammer. But guess what, guys? It's the pain. And even though old Aunt Gretna or whatever, I know, no, it's weird. She's not even our aunt. Her name is really Old Aunt Gretna. Like, her middle name is Aunt. So, now get the camera on me. Because I'm the reason you're here. Okay, guys. So I'm looking to see where this boy be stuck at. Oh! I gotta see that real quick. Hey, you can have this. Probably not a good idea, but it don't matter. Okay?
Do you think meth matters?
Yes, it does. Actually, no, I hate meth. Never mind.
Are you dumb?
What?
What are you, dumb?
No, I don't like meth.
Yeah, what are you, dumb?
Alright. Okay. I have to get on this good screwing action.
Well, that's some good screwing action.
Yeah, I know. Oh, yeah. I'm just stripping the screw.
Oh!
Up.
There's no screw right here.
What?
That's.
What do you want?
Oh, screw.
What about it?
Undo it.
Why would I undo the screw?
Because. Ow, I hit myself. Yeah, I'll just right there.
I'm getting it. Oh yeah, guys, look how it just eats up the thing. Oh crap! Ah. There we go, guys. Now remember, throw. That's good enough. Here's the hammer. I'll just set that right there. Oh! Alright, guys. So now, guys, Jeffrey, I'd move over if I were you. Ow! Okay, guys. Jeffrey. Alright, guys. Well, alright, so right here, This is all the damage. Oh crap!
Like they're just in the door. Don't even go inside. Just stay at the door.
Hey! Alright, guys. Now I instead of getting in people's white vans, get people's white. Alright, so now we have to get the drum out. Jared, where'd you put the thing?
No clue.
Oh my god. Okay, guys. There's the tool. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. We'll be right back in a minute. Okay, guys. So now, so now we're gonna be trying to unhook the drum, and it's attached by wires and a pulley system. There's a pulley system in there. That didn't work. Okay, guys. Now. Okay.
That didn't work?
I know. Whichever, are we doing this right?
Yeah. Yeah, we're getting better.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I know, Jeffrey, I have an idea now. Okay, guys. Stop. Alright, guys, so now that we Alright, now that we got all this.
We're like 15 tetanus shots for that.
I hope so.
What? No.
Alright, so. I have all my fingers. Holy crap! Boom. Okay. Alright, Jeffrey, move over.
Dude, it didn't work. I'm gonna try to do it again.
Alright.
That actually did kind of hurt.
Alright, Jeffrey, you know, guys, cut the camera, and we'll be right back when we get some way in. Okay, guys, so I think we found a way in. One sec. All I did was I just hit it with a hammer, and it opened. Wow. Yeah. That's how we do it. Boom, boom, boom.
I don't want to get hit again. I thought that was the hammer for a second, like you just broke it.
Wait, what?
Where'd this thing come from?
I came from right here.
Would you?
Yeah.
Dang, it's a giant bull.
Okay, guys, seems hitting stuff with hammers works. Alright, you know, guys, I'm about to take this side off right over here, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we got I took all the screws out of this part. Yeah. Alright, so now we should be able to take this wall off right over here, guys. Alright, so right here, I'm trying to see what's still connecting it. I think it's all that's welded together, but alright, so come here. I'll show them how to fix the pulley system.
Alright. Things down.
Jeffrey, that's part of the pulley system we need.
Here's one part of the pulley system.
Okay, guys. Alright, come down here so they can see it. Alright, wow. So. Alright, so you see this right here?
I have fallen.
See how it says warning?
Yeah.
It's a whole bunch of wiring.
That one, son.
Alright, so is what we need to do now. You see every single bit. What? Okay, guys. So sorry about that. Jeffrey, he was having his seizure, his daily seizure.
Daily. Oh yeah, secondly.
All right, Jeffrey, come here. All these wires down here, we don't need them because we're taking the wires from the top.
Oh no, it's not. I'm dumb.
Jeffrey, we already knew. Probably do just one at a time. I don't know. What if I did this and it just caught on fire? I would laugh.
That'd be awesome.
Okay, guys. So once we get these set of wires,
because of all these lint.
we could start a fire.
Right amount of electricity, especially with all these little what copper cording.
Okay, guys. All right, so we got those wires out. Now what we need to do?
The green one and the purple one.
All right, we have to cut. No, Jeffrey, if we cut the purple one, it will explode.
Yeah.
We can't cut the purple one. Why? Okay, guys. Sorry we had to cut the camera. I just once we were done with the purple wire, there's this note. Look at it. I don't know if she meant. What the heck is this? Go to Africa and get Ebola. Then go to India and drink, I think. And take it. Plan. Wait. Oh, take it. Oh. Take it from. Wait. It says then go to India and drink from the Yokozukomo plant and take it. Go back to Uganda and ask the queen for the way. But first show her the Yokozukomo plant for proof. Is this the way? We just found the way.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, we did. Okay, guys. So the green wire makes it to where energy will go to this. So now if I stick this there,
To get shocked to death.
alright. Remember, Jeffrey, this purple. Alright, guys, we just found the way, and I don't want her to figure out she lost it, so she might think it's in the dryer. So Jeffrey, we're gonna have to cut this wire. Okay. Back up. And Jeffrey, you can't put this on camera, or it will make. Or it will just make the freaking people who's watching Isaac freaking, they'll be blind. Okay.
Oh.
So Jeffrey, you have to turn around. Okay, guys. So the green wire makes it to where energy will go to this. So now if I stick this there,
To get shocked to death.
alright. Remember, Jeffrey, this purple. Alright, guys, we just found the way, and I don't want her to figure out she lost it, so she might think it's in the dryer. So Jeffrey, we're gonna have to cut this wire. Okay. Back up. And Jeffrey, you can't put this on camera, or it will make, or it will just make the freaking people who's watching Isaac freaking, they'll be blind. Okay.
Oh.
So Jeffrey, you have to turn around.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, gotta cut it, man.
Okay.
I think I have 5 seconds. Okay. It's gonna be bad, man. Okay. Just wait. This wire's made of steel, so.
Made of steel.
There's no anyone cutting it. Oh crap! Jeffrey! Okay, guys, so we just got back. Hey, look, the drum came out.
Yeah.
So I think we did good, and that's how to fix a dryer. So yeah, guys, Peace out.